What's up, you guys? It's Rob here. Today we're going to be going over ticker symbol TSLA on the daily, weekly, and monthly time frame in anticipation for tomorrow's trading day, April the 6th. We will be taking, we know that Tesla had a news catalyst on Friday, and we weren't able to bake this into the price because the markets were closed on Friday. So during the pre-market hours today, we saw that Tesla absolutely had a large, essentially, I don't want to call it a gap up, but definitely a very quick run up because Tesla did beat on their deliveries for quarter one, which is one of the hardest quarters to beat your deliveries on for them. But let's go on and hop on over here into Webull real quickly. And if you can, do me a favor, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Also hit that subscribe button. Do me a favor, ring that bell so you get all the notifications when I post a video onto this channel. And if you can, and if you want, there's a link to Webull down below. You can get 2 free stocks when you join Webull. One when you sign up and your account gets approved, and then the second one when you deposit $100 or more on the platform. And those 2 stocks can be valued anywhere between $10 and $1,600. So down below, it's another great way to support the channel, and it supports me because I do get a free stock because that is my affiliate link. But anyways, into the technical analysis of today. So as you do see here, we did close, essentially it was at about 6:58 on Friday, and then not Friday, on Thursday. Gosh, I'm so thrown off because it was a 4-day market week last week. And then we did have that giant run up because we weren't able to price this in. And Tesla did pretty much have its high of the day during the pre-market hours of 7:16. And really once the market opened, it was pretty much a battle between, it was like 7:06. Let's do this here. It was pretty much between, it was just about 7:06, the 7:05-ish area that Tesla really was fighting between. And then it almost wanted to go all the way back to the 681.44 support that's been pretty common. But the huge thing with Tesla was we got all this news hype and everything like that. Everyone, like, we had that pretty much, I'm going to call it, let's just go ahead and call it a gap up, because you had that huge gap up. And then once the market really opened, a lot of people look like they just sold off their position. And I don't know why people are selling Tesla, because honestly, this is a company that Kathy Wood put like a $3,000 price target on in 2025. Why not hold your money and 5x it? Like, I own Tesla, makes up 30% of my portfolio, and I'm not selling any of it at all. Like, not at all. Like, it doesn't even cross my mind. So, but anyways, really looking at here on the intraday, we really did test oversold several times. And then when we did have our rally here, pretty much the middle part of the day into the close, we did test overbought for a little bit. And then we sold off into the close. And it just really seems like Tesla just doesn't really feel comfortable right now. Like, the stock just doesn't look comfortable here on the chart. Like, it doesn't really want to sit, and it really just, we wanted to get above $700, but every single time it gets above $700, it seems to just kind of like fall apart and then go back down. I don't know if it's just because currently right now we don't have the volume behind it or what's going on. I mean, well, never mind, I'm wrong because I'm looking at it here. The volume was 41.8 million today, and then the average volume is 35. So wrong there. So don't know what it is, but I mean, Tesla did also get the positive news catalyst today also, because they had their strong Q1's delivery, and then some analyst like upped their price target on it to like $1,000 or something like that by the end of this year, which would be awesome considering we're sitting at 691 right now. So, I mean, overall for the day for Tesla, we finished up about 4.5%. So it was a positive day. I mean, if we finished negative after today, I would be kind of scratching my head because we had such a positive news catalyst on Friday of beating deliveries, and they're not even producing the Model S or Model X during a chip shortage. So, I mean, clearly Tesla has their supply chain under wraps. But let's go ahead and jump out here to the 5-day, 30-minute. And really, you can see that Tesla, I mean, has been trading within this channel. I said 5-day, not monthly. You can see that Tesla has been really trading within this channel. And then we had that sell-off because everyone was expecting them not to beat deliveries on Thursday. They were like, it's just not going to happen. There's a chip shortage. And then lo and behold, on Friday, Tesla's like, we got you. We beat it. Like, and they beat it really good. They beat it by about 12,000 vehicles, and that's pretty much spanking it. So you had the gap up in the morning, and obviously you're going to be oversold with that much of a drastic move between 658 and then what is this, about 700. So you're looking at a $42 swing real quick. So, but then we sold off pretty much into the day. So, I mean, the huge thing that I'm seeing here is how unhappy the MACD was once we had that giant movement and then we crossed over and just saw bearish territory. And we look like towards the end of the day, we crossed back over and we might be in bullish perspective here on the micro scale. The RSI was sitting at 59.47, so just a hair above neutral. Oh, come on, give it to me. There we go. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, 59.47. So let's go ahead and hop out to the 1 month. And really, even within the 1 month, you can see how many times we've gotten up to like 706 or like a couple dollars above $700. And then we just get these hard rejections and we come all the way back down to essentially, what is this, 657? This touched all the way to 650. So like we're getting these we're breaking through and then we're just not holding. We're constantly getting rejected. And personally, I just think that's because the market correction really has been beating Tesla down because it is a higher beta stock. So it is affected more by the greater market. So that's my personal 2 cents in it. But if you have any other DD, drop it down in the comment section below. So, but basically, like when you look at I look at this, I can pretty much see a bullish flag appearing because you have essentially you're making higher lows. So if we take it, let's take it from like here. Come on, give me a trend line. Give me my trend line. We take it from like here and like draw it down. Really, the huge thing that we want to be looking at is we want to be looking at how many times we're crossing over. We need to make sure that we at least have 3 touch points when we're drawing these trend lines. But really, like, that's one giant, personally, in my opinion, that's one giant bull flag. Like, that's what I'm seeing right now. Now, the same thing can be said right now. What we're doing right now is considered a bear flag. So bull flags are when you want to break up, bear flags are when you can break down, kind of thing. So personally, what I want to see is I want to be able to see us hold 681 and hold our supports in that area. And if we can't really hold those supports, I think we could be going back and revisiting like the mid 650s and all that kind of stuff, because it just seems like Tesla is not incredibly comfortable right now. And I think that's partially due to the greater market correction. And then also when we're looking at how much of a beta stock it is and how affected it is, it's just the market exacerbates within Tesla, and you can just see the greater influence of the market within the stock. So anyways, enough rambling. We're sitting about 54.86 here on the RSI. We do have the signal crossing over the MACD, which is a bearish indicator, and we are headed back towards equilibrium here on the 1 hour. If we hop out to let's hop out of the 4 hour, and even like this becomes even more prominent. Like you can see ever since we really hit 876, and then we had it was right around the beginning of February, we just had the market correction, and then it just pummeled and it's been just beat down. So I'm personally looking for us, if we can, with all this positive news, of getting going in the right direction. So if we look at it here if we look at it on a 1 month chart, we're still in bearish territory. But if we back it out to a 3 month, we look here, we're still in bearish territory technically. On the 4 hour, 3 month, 4 hour, technically now this is bullish territory. So we do have that. Like I said, we had that bull flag. We do have the crossing here of MACD crossing over the signal, which is a bullish indicator, and then we are crossing over the equilibrium. We were overextended a little bit, but we're coming back together a little bit. And then we're also sitting at 60 here on the RSI, which is a really interesting thing because 60 is about 10 base points above neutral. So we're not really getting in the bullish territory yet, but hopefully we can make that bullish move. We do have the MACD, we do have the positive news catalyst, and we kind of are moving out of this market correction. And then we just started the month of April because April tends to be a very bullish month for the stock. But really, that's all I got for you guys today for Tesla. If you want me to go over anything else or add anything to my technical analysis, drop it down in the comment section below. I greatly appreciate you guys watching, and remember, drop a like, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and then join Webull down below. You do get 2 free stocks. I mean, it's $10, so it's pretty much a free lunch at a minimum, or you can get up to $1,600. But if you do use my Webull link, I do ask if you can, just whatever video on my channel, just say, hey, like, used your Webull link, I got blank stocks or something like that kind of thing, because I'm genuinely curious just to see what you guys get, because it's rather cool. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.